Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the tools. Your VIN, a compatible 3264 GB USB drive formatted to FAT32, and a charged car. First, locate the VIN and verify the exact Mazda navigation version because only the matched map file will install. Once done, format the USB and name it clearly. This avoids installer confusion. Then, power up the car to accessory mode so the infotainment recognizes USB input. Finally, plug the drive into a computer with a stable internet connection to begin the download. Next, download the official Mazda Map package using the manufacturer installer and provide the VIN when asked. This authorizes the correct region files. You'll see a multi-gigabyte transfer, monitor download progress, and verify checksums if provided, because corrupted files fail on install. Once the installer finishes, copy the map files to the FAT32 USB root exactly as instructed. Do not change folder names. After copying, use the OS Safe Eject option to flush caches, then remove the USB and keep it ready for the car. Finally, insert the prepared USB into the vehicle while the engine or accessory mode is on and follow the infotainment prompts to start the update. The system will copy files and may reboot several times. Do not interrupt power or remove the USB until the process completes and the screen confirms success. After installation, verify map version in settings and test routing. If the update fails or shows error codes, try reformatting a new USB and repeating the process. If problems persist, contact Mazda Service for VIN-authorized support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.